In this video, I'm going to show you my secret method for selling high-ticket items. This is a method that I've been using for years and it's always resulted in a lot of sales. Hi there, my name is SamerAI and in this video, I'm going to share with you my secret method for selling high-ticket items. Now, before I get into the details of this method, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried to sell something that's worth a lot of money? If your answer is yes, then chances are you know that it can be quite difficult. Most people simply don't have the budget or they're not even interested in purchasing high-priced items. But what if there was a way to bypass all of that? 1. Know your audience. If sales are your thing, then you'd better make sure you know who you're trying to sell to. It's like they say, if you don't understand your audience, it's like trying to fit a square block in a round hole. Nothing quite fits and it'll end with an unsatisfying result. Knowing your target audience is key. Do your research on who you want to buy and how best to reach them. Your sales will thank you in the long run. As a salesperson, understanding your audience is critical to achieving success. Without knowing who you're trying to sell to, it's like shooting in the dark and hoping to hit the target. That's why it's essential to do your research and get to know your target audience inside out. By understanding your audience, you can tailor your sales pitch to their specific needs and preferences. You'll know what language to use, what benefits to highlight, and what objections to address. This level of personalization is essential to building trust and credibility with your prospects and ultimately closing the deal. So, before you start pitching your product or service, take the time to understand your target audience. Use data and analytics to get insights into their behavior, preferences, and pain points. Talk to them directly to understand their needs and aspirations. By doing so, you'll be able to create a sales strategy that resonates with them and drives results. Remember, knowing your audience is not a one-time task but an ongoing process. Keep tracking their behavior and adapting your sales approach as needed. By doing so, you'll be able to build a loyal customer base and achieve long-term success in sales. 2. Research what people want and need. Doing sales research can be a treasure trove for businesses. It's like going on a voyage of discovery, where the destination isn't some exotic, faraway land, but rather the ins and outs of what people want and need from products or services. Knowing this information can help salespeople target their efforts to successfully win customers and make sales. And that's something everyone should consider a great haul. Sales research is indeed a treasure trove for businesses. It provides a wealth of information that can help salespeople understand their target audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. This knowledge is like going on a voyage of discovery because it can reveal a lot about what people want and need from products or services. By conducting sales research, businesses can gather information on their target audience's demographics, behavior, buying patterns, and more. This information can then be used to create a sales strategy that effectively targets potential customers and wins them over. Moreover, sales research can also help businesses identify gaps in the market, opportunities for innovation, and potential areas for growth. By staying on top of industry trends and consumer demands, businesses can adapt their sales approach and product offerings to stay competitive and relevant. In conclusion, doing sales research is crucial for any business looking to succeed in today's marketplace. It's a valuable tool that can help salespeople target their efforts, win customers, and make sales. And ultimately, that's something everyone should consider a great haul, a treasure trove of valuable insights that can lead to long-term success. 3. Find a high-ticket item to sell that meets those needs. Selling a high-ticket item can be intimidating, especially if you don't know what to look for. The key is to find something that makes sense for your sales strategy and aligns with the needs of your audience. Of course, there's one other important factor in the equation. It should be fun. Nothing gets sales going like a good blend of practicality and entertainment. So get creative and find a high-ticket item that will catapult sales figures into the stratosphere. 4. Create a sales page that is convincing and easy to understand. Writing sales pages doesn't have to be a chore. With the right approach, it can be downright fun. Whether you're selling t-shirts or tacos, software or services, magical elixirs or modes of transportation, the key is to hook your readers in with a witty sales page that's clear and easy to understand. Crafting effective sales copy isn't about flattering words. It's about making an outstanding offer that your ideal customer simply won't be able to resist. Making sales pages enjoyable for both you and your potential buyers doesn't have to be a daunting task. Once you figure out how to present the sales message in an entertaining format with great benefits, your sales will find themselves sliding up like never before. 5. Set up payment processing so customers can buy easily. Making sales can be a tricky business. You have to make sure everything runs as smoothly and quickly as possible so your customers remain happy. Fortunately, setting up payment processing is one of the best ways to ensure sales are effortless and secure. With a proper payment processor in place, customers will be able to purchase your goods without any hitches, giving them the peace of mind that comes with a successful transaction. After all, when it comes to sales, nothing is more important than enjoying the process. 6. Ship the product once payment is complete. There's no sales system quite like the one you get when you ship a product once payment is complete. After years of relying on sales processes that can be slow and unreliable, now you can go straight to mailing out the item so the customer gets their hands on your goods or services in a timely manner. This rewards customers for giving you their hard-earned money, and it keeps them coming back for more. Ship the product once payment is complete. Simple as that. 7. Follow up with customers after purchase to ensure satisfaction. A salesperson's job doesn't end once the sale is made, it's just beginning. It's essential to check in with customers after their purchase, to make sure they are as satisfied as can be. This is an opportunity for salespeople to show that they genuinely care about their customers and go above and beyond to ensure a delightful experience. After all, happy customers almost always come back for more, so let's ask them how it's going and help out if needed. Let's keep those sales coming. In conclusion, making sales doesn't have to be difficult. With the right strategies and a little creativity, you can create an efficient system that will boost your profits in no time. Find the right high-ticket item for your audience, craft a compelling sales page, set up payment processing so customers can buy easily, ship the product once payment is complete, and follow up with customers after purchase to ensure satisfaction. All of these steps work together to form a powerful sales process, one that will keep bringing you success day after day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel and get more insights on how to increase your sales figures. And join us on our journey to become the first AI YouTube channel to reach 1 million subscribers. Thanks for watching.